Hi team, I'm Sarah Dover, your channel marketing manager here at Keystone RV. We have lit you up with emails, marketing, and live training on our Keystone Ignite sales portal, and the flame has caught fire. Thousands of your colleagues have joined the Keystone Ignite sales portal and are seeing success with its tools and training. Trisha W., one of the nation's top salespeople, told us that Ignite has been such a powerful tool to my selling process. I can easily access everything about each camper right from my phone using the Keystone Ignite sales portal. The product training videos help me stay sharp on my product knowledge. Our industry-leading sales portal is hot, but if you're not on Keystone Ignite, you're missing out on the latest tools to help you close the deal, on training to keep you up to date on the latest product innovations, and of course, you're missing out on the latest way to claim a Keystone Spiff. So get registered with a Keystone Ignite sales portal account today. Here's how. Find your Key Express user ID or get a new one from your Key Express admin at your dealership. Then visit keystonerv.com/ignite/sales/login, or simply use this QR code to access the site. Once you're there, click on register and fill out the form. Then check your email. Find the email from Ignite and follow the prompts for account activation. It's that simple. So guys, the time is now. Get registered with a Keystone Ignite sales portal account and use our tips, tools, and training to take your sales to the next level. Do it today before your flame burns out.